Hmm. Okay, okay. 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 Tuple. And then we say a tuple of int and stir. What is wrong here? Huh. No, it doesn't. Why? So oh wait. What is it creating? Wait, I'm fucking up. It's creating a tuple, yeah, obviously. But then why does this not work? Why does my type hinting not work? It's a tuple. It's a tuple containing tuples of int and stir. And then I'm so fucking dumb, you know? I'm just gonna say I'm so fucking dumb. Yeah, so it works. So wait a second. Okay, so this and this. Okay, if we do something like combine list, it's not a list, space the space rn combine tuple. Yeah, so create a tuple and do space sh a list tuple. makes sense. I think so. Okay, so huh? Oh my god. No. Yank in this. No, VISA. SIF list. Then zip. What? Oh. Why does this not work? Do we need to specifically do tuple? Why does it not work? Okay, I understand. I understand why this does not work. It makes complete sense as why this is not working. But why does this? For example, if I do a list, let's do a tuple. Okay, let's do it. Instead of doing a list, let's do a tuple. Oh. 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 Still nothing. I don't remember what I was doing. I actually don't remember what I was doing. Oh my god. Hmm. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. But wait, combine tuples go to zip of so yank inside that, paste that inside that. Now if so it's that I'm writing this for nothing. I need to review this code. I need to reread everything right now. So this is here. So basically, if we have this, so let me get the original code that I wrote. So here's the code. Oh fuck. I mean, it's okay. So I can take this code and just like paste this. Oh my fucking god! I said copy this code. No, I said copy this code. Where is it? Copy this code. Then copy this code, undo. Oh no, copy this code, then undo, paste this code, then DGG, and then what I can do, combine list, combine zip of this is going to be good. And then the combine underscore list space on combine the zip undo space on underscore object zipping the two lists together to create info. In this case we are going to create in this case we're going to create what? I don't know. Create a zip object. This font, let me try another fun font because I'm procrastinating right now and I don't want to do anything. I'm just like changing fonts. I mean, don't judge me. I can do whatever the fuck I want. I'm trying to have fun. No, zip the file. Okay. Space UN. Okay. Huh. So this is so but I can't hear anything now. I don't care. Where did my code? What the fuck? CD into desktop. Zip Python zip if we were convert that combine zip object, if we were to combine this object into a list or slash tuple inside the print. Oh my god. Statement. We are going to get something. We are going to exhaust that zip and therefore we are going to have span style is equal to color or range, and then this nothing span. What is wrong? Huh? Oh, it's because of this. We are going to have nothing inside our dictionary. Something like that. To be honest, I don't care about this. Of the above code snippet is we're going to look like this. Console. Oh. Arrow, then this is going to be down arrow. I'm just gonna take the this first. Just paste this. Oh my god, just paste this into here, paste this into here, and then also paste this into here. So this we get this, and then we get the code of code, yeah, and then 1.8 this, so 1.8 at Q. Very nice. Oh, just give me 2 minutes. I think you can hear me now. Like, you can actually hear me now, and the music is not so like fucking loud. I can increase this for my I think you can hear me now. Yeah, you can hear me now. Yeah, I'm just checking. So, for me to be able to play music, I need to make this. I'm just testing. I don't know. It's fucking shit setup right now. So I need to just like place it over here if I want to hear stuff for myself. Yeah, let's go. Let's fucking go, boys. Finally fix that thing. It's always like I was like, yo, this music is too loud, and and at least I was like 7 minutes into it, so I fixed the problem now, so it's okay. So I hope this is good. Yep, I hope it's good. Yeah, I think it should be good. It should be fine. Therefore, we are not going to get anything inside our dictionary. Console. Okay, so fuck you, dog. Fuck you, dog. Shut the fuck up, bruh. Oh, what am I doing? So we're going to nothing inside our dictionary, so I have already done this and this is nice. Okay, now we are going to the combine list, bruh. The combine. I'm just gonna like combine the zip. Create a list of integers, zipping the in a get a zipper. Please the combine zip object. Okay, convert the combine zip object into a dictionary. This will newly created from combine zip. Okay, so this, let's try to look at the output. Python zip.py. Very nice. So now we can say that the zip. Oh, what the fuck am I doing? Yeah, good. Is it the same? Yeah, it's the same memory. What is that? Ah, it's a memory location. It's hexadecimal. Given this zip object, the hexadecimal numbers is the memory address of it. That combine zip. Yeah, absolutely correct. Yeah, it's like hexadecimal. I know, like from watching streams of people, what I don't understand anything, but from watching people like code compilers and operating system and stuff like that on YouTube, I noticed this like pattern of like 0 and X, meaning it's at an address of 0. I don't know anything about that, but I know that this represents an address inside memory, like in our memory. Yeah, and it stays the same. It stays the same. Like we run it. No, it doesn't stay the same. It should not stay the same. Yeah, should not stay. I wait. 07EX. No, my brain was just fucking with me. I was looking at this then. Yeah, the fuck you. That's not the police, by the way. That's not an ambulance or anything. It's just a fucking guy down this fucking street. Like, have, you know, he's like, fuck this person. Yes. Fuck that guy. Fuck you, bitch. Yeah, if you combine objects and you're not going to get anything out of dictionary anymore. So combine zip, combine zip, converted to tuple is. So vi this, and then vi what? Vi this, and then SAF, and then triple. No, converted to list. Okay. List to list. But what do we get now? Oh my god, what am I doing? Control this, combine zip object, the variable combine zip object is actually empty inside the dict function is actually empty. So if I do something like that, just print combined zip object python zip I don't know how to type zip how do you type that thing? py I just forgot how to type. Oh, but why? I don't understand this thing. I'm gonna... Oh, what the fuck? Wait, what? 2 and 9. 2 and 9. Wow, what the fuck was that? So from what I can understand, the object is the same. The object is here, like the variable is in memory, but why when I apply this here, when I apply this here, when I apply the list, so when I apply the list here, why does it like object into a list inside the print statement? Wait, what the fuck? Ooh. Okay, let's read now. Let's fucking read. No, let's back up first. I don't want to create another node for zip, even though it will be more atomic to create in terms of Zettelkasten and stuff like that. I don't know. Yes, I showed you that. Yeah, Zettelkasten and stuff like that. But right now, wait, what? Yeah, right now, just like still in my old ways for the moment. I have not even started to read this book, you know, but I think in my mind it makes sense. Okay, I learned dictionaries and I needed to learn zip, so place everything in there. Now if I want to learn more about zip, I can always go to the documentation, or I can always go to place like to a place like YouTube or Google or Stack Overflow. So it doesn't make any sense for me to make this note atomic, because I know, like, okay, I know zip because I know dictionaries. In my mind it makes sense like this, you know. I don't know about you, but in my mind it makes sense. Wait, just give me a second. I need to start reading now. Okay, but before we start, the zip factor, as we have seen above, we cannot direct into traditional vanilla list tuples or set into dictionary. Therefore, if we have two one-dimensional vanilla lists, talking about list of lists, we can use a zip function to combine them into a we can combine them to make a dictionary. How the zip works? Take a look at the code found below. Create a list of integers, create a list of strings, zipping the two lists together. We're going to create a list that contains the combined data items. Display the data items, the combined data. As you can see, we create in this case a list of tuples of containing 2 elements. This means that this means that this what does this mean? This means combined list can be directly converted into a dictionary. Adding the following code to the above, we should get a dictionary of 3 data items whereby we have integer numbers as keys and string words becomes the actual values. For example, this is the keys and then the am I right? Well, yeah, it's a key, and I'm second doubting my guess now. I need to go to sleep, I think. Yeah, so combine keys. In this case, we're going to get an output that looks like this. The dictionary combine list. Yeah, so thinking. So in this case, the updated output. The updated output is going to look like this. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. The problem, did you notice that the list defined in the first code snippet? Did you notice that how the length of int list was 3 and int star list was if not, you're not paying attention. Fuck you. If not, you're not paying attention. Undo. Go fuck yourself. Now there is an option called strict that we can pass inside the zip function, and therefore the zip function will only create the combined list if and only if the length of the individual lists are the same, modifying the same initial code snippet from above. Now when we run the code, we're going to get this error. We're going to get this. We're going to get a value error. Again, this happens because of the difference in the length of the 2 lists. Correcting the inconsistency. If we correct the length of the 2 lists, we should be able to get a correct output. What is correct anyways in this fucked up world? This is a different code, by the way. Instead of using lists, we are using tuples. Create a tuple of integer numbers, create a tuple of strings, blah blah blah, and then zipping the 2 tuples together. We want to create a tuple containing the combined data items, and strict to true, and then combined tuple. The combined tuple is this, the dictionary is this, and in this case we make sure that our dictionary that we are creating is actually real. What I'm trying to say is that if you have 2 lists and we're creating a dictionary from those 2, we should ensure that the length is equal to the length is equal, or else it would seem, or else it would, else if would seem, it would seem as if some data item might be lost. I think what we get on trying to say. Yes, the output. The combined data tuple is this, and then the zip objects. If you do something like this, this is only going to create an object of zip. Create an object of zip. Using the example of combined list, we are just going to remove the typecast with the list, and we are just removing the typecasting. The list. When we display the combined list, instead of getting a list of tuples or other, we get this. Now, because of how zip is classified as an iterator, memory garbage. Therefore, if you take a look at the new code, we see that the conversion is being done directly. The above output. Okay, I think I get this. So we are going to get exhaust, and therefore Control C, undo. Control R. I don't know what just happened. I know I pressed Control C, but you know, I'm just like paranoid. Control C. And then Control 5. Control V. What do you think of this? It's my first time learning the zip function. I'm gonna watch some videos about zip. I don't understand this part. Oh. Ah. Ah. So I can think of zipped up data structures like zip of list 1 and list 2 as a view from our database analogy, whereby it's only mapped for a certain amount of time, and in this case in terms of database it's like someone creating a temporary view for a temporary user and then deleting it. Oh, I get it. Okay, I understand it now. So it's just how it works. So it's just what the hell is this? It's the first time I'm hearing this. I mean, it's okay. Huh? Oh. For leaks. Accessing, displaying dictionary create views. and the pictures are like a database undo database view, whereby someone creates a what? Whereby someone creates a temporary view for a user, and as mentioned before, all the data from the parent database table is translated into that view. Now think of zip function as a database view that has been created for a one time use only thing. This means that after we use it, the data inside the child table, so right arrow in this is the zipped data items gets deleted. No, the zip data items gets deleted. Alt Shift P. Windows, no, it's not Control Shift P. Alt Shift P. Bruh, what is happening? Control P. PDF. Control Alt P. Okay, fuck. Control Alt P. Oh. Also, I was trying to hit Control Alt and P, which I was hitting right, but the control, my caps lock is control, as you know. My caps lock is not control, but now I've placed control, like the normal position of the control key, a mouse thing. This means that whenever I hold control here, like the normal control, I get the mouse, meaning I'm trying to mouse Alt and P. It's not gonna do anything, so I need to Control P. I fucked up. That's the only thing. This is the thing. The thing I'm trying to say is I fucked up. Okay? And it's okay. It's okay to fuck up. Sometimes. If I provide you a PDF version of my notes for dictionaries in Python, can you just take a look at the zip function part and tell me if it's good? To To be honest, I really like this theme. Oh my god, I really like the theme Maple Mono. It's really mapley. Like it's a combination of I think like it's a combination of like, I don't know, it just feels this nice to use. It feels fun. It's like Comic Sans plus JetBrains mono and stuff like that. It just feels nice, you know. I like it. Give me the good vibes, you know. Like I can vibe good. Okay, I'm gonna try to use my mouse. Like not my mouse. I'm gonna try to use my keyboard. Listen. Fuck. Okay, here it is, and then just gonna open that. Oh my god, open this here. Now here you go. See, I didn't even touch the mouse. I touched the mouse on my keyboard. Fuck you. Okay. So the underlying tech for zip is hash maps. Oh, it's a pointer. Ah, yeah, it's an iterator, it's a pointer. But why did this like briefly mention map to have started one more thing? Map for that, so everything's still consume. Fuck off, fuck off. Map, I don't understand map, I don't know maps. Like, fuck off. The zip function, the zip function. So control reload. I think I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go play some fucking games. You know, I don't know. Maybe I'll continue. Maybe I'll not continue. But yeah. So basically now I need to like do the in-session part. I mean, so I have like you could say I have completed this. I've completed this, and I have completed this. So I need just like do the rest. The thing is, it's like really nice. Like I actually have you could say how do you say that? You could say it's a good for eyelets and items. Oh yeah. Yeah, it makes sense because items it returns a tuple of 2 elements, meaning that I gets the first element. Oh my god, because it's like unpacking. It's basically unpacking. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Musa al-Kazwa Rizmi. Mr. Rizmi. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do this like I'm just gonna continue this. So yeah, git commit and with specific, it's sync with specific message, update completed, arrived completed, zip function, arrived at insertion, the data for dictionaries. It's the obsidian. What the fuck? The thing is, so I've taken all the keycaps. My keycaps are Cherry MX profile keycaps, and I've taken all the keycaps found at the like QWERTY, like all the keycaps QWERTY from Q to P, and I have swapped it from Z to question mark. So meaning I'm trying to like 3D printed sculpted low profile mechanical keycaps. Yeah, so basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to do something like that, whereby, and it kind of for the top row, for the like the QWERTY row, it works like the scullydraw.com. So wait, let me just search something. Cherry MX profile keycaps, like side profile. I need side profile. What the fuck is a side profile? Yeah, there it is. I must say cherry. You see, okay, so let's copy this image, paste this image over here. So you see how like I basically took this one, and I basically took this one and place it like similar, like the same shape here. Okay, and I took this one and I placed it over here, but I have reversed it. So it's like more in line. But for this one I'm having difficulty because well, what is it? I can't, like, even if I reverse it, it's like extremely big. So even if I reverse it, so if like tell me take this, let's stroke with, yeah, so let's do this, and then it's gonna take this, control D, and then shift V. If I do this right now, okay, fuck. Okay, and okay, if I do this like right here, it creates a massive gap from here to here, and I don't really like. I don't know. Let me try something. Let me try like inverting the A key and see where I get what I do get when I also invert this one. Let me just check something. I mean, I saw someone who did that, like on a stream. I don't remember, but I saw someone who did that. No, it doesn't make any sense. I mean, the keys are like you can it only makes sense for this one. Like I don't know. I mean, the designer who made this, not the engineer who made this, is not a fucking fool. You know, he knows why he made this, but still, you know, might as well try something. but I'm currently going to be on the DSA key. I don't know, I'm not sure. I have the thing is, I have two keyboards that are fucked up. I think I'm gonna, instead of using the key, as I said, I bought a cone keyboard. Instead of using the keycaps provided by the cone person, or the cone, like the person who manufactured the cone, I'm gonna use my own keycaps. And because I have two of the same keyboards, which both of them are fucked up, by the way, I'm just gonna use the keycaps, and I'm gonna try to make this. So wait. Oh fuck! It's off. My keyboard's off. So I'm gonna try to make. Wait, just give me a second. Bear with me a second. So I'm gonna try to make. Oh my fucking god! Control Shift T. I'm gonna try to make this like how, like, you know, I'm gonna try to follow the shape of it. Like, you see how like it's a bit like, you know, below is like bigger and stuff. What the fuck is this, bro? See here, like how it's like downwards, meaning you get access to more keys. I think it's a 3D printed, right? Yeah. Oh fuck. Maybe one day I'll 3D print a tinted version case for my cone keyboard. Yeah. I don't know, I've not like even used the cone keyboard right now, so you know, I need to like this color is really nice. I mean the nylon black also is like nice. Black is nice, you know. But the gray version is also like, it's like pretty nice, you know. Oh, that's a cool animation, to be honest. Sheesh. I mean, it's not that bad, to be honest. Don't see anything here. You see some things here. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna go now. Thank you all for staying with me, and I'm gonna end everything.